people really touching my heart that are Muslims that are telling me, Muslims, and these Muslims are telling me that I'm saying things that are inspiring them to be better Muslims. And I'm not even a Muslim. What's happening? Well, I don't know if I told you, for the last 2 years I've been studying Arabic every day, 2 hours a day for 2 years. And I got to tell you, it's brilliant, beautiful language, and it's mathematical, and it's wise, and it's so incredible. And if you're a Muslim and you don't know Arabic, please start studying. It is opening up my brain to all of these thoughts. And so I got this one book here, and it's a translation study for the Quran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. So then I started on Surah Al-Baqarah. I said, I'm going to just teach myself all the way through the whole Quran. It's a big surah. So I did this. Alif Lam Mim ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون الذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك وبالآخرة هم يوقنون. So anyway, I hate to stop there. I'm sorry if that's disrespectful, but I was going to learn the whole way through, but then I started in this Egyptian Arabic and all these other Arabic programs. My mind is just bursting. American Muslims raised by Arab-speaking parents, they speak English and only English, and they are missing an opportunity of a lifetime to expand their brains and to be interfaith intermediaries, to reach out. There's so much power in this language. I think that